through and do a quick video explaining the new Presale ICO landing page. Right now, when you go onto our landing page, it's our cut and dry, blank, one page where you can kind of get all the information, and it has some pre-sale information too, which I understand for some people might kind of be weirding people out just because you send it to a wallet and then that's kind of it. But we're going to be launching this hopefully in the next day or so. So I just wanted to kind of walk through this code because I just think it's really fun to explain some of the work that's being done that people don't always get to see. You can actually see this if you go into the code base. There's a link for it in the landing page, but this will be under presale.hedge.ico, or I'm sorry, presale.hedge.fund, and that's going to be this ICO, IEO, IDO, technically presale page. It's going to obviously adjust as we do more things, so that's why we're calling it the pre-ICO, presale, etc. The only thing that's really going to change is the value of the token per USDC ratio. So for the pre-sale, we have it set to 3 hedge per 1 USDC, and as obviously we go to ICO, IEO, IDO, sorry, I'm speaking too quickly, that's going to change to eventually a 1-to-1 when we initiate that liquidity. So obviously footer, home, menu, we have a lot of, this is going to be a little bit more comprehensive than the other landing page that you see, so eventually we'll transition to something more like this on the landing page that you have now. But it breaks it down basically section by section, like what is hedge. You're going to see then like a white paper. Then you're going to get access to the pre-sale, and that pre-sale is just right on the 4th section. It's going to be right down here. That's all this information. So you'll connect your wallet just like you would, with any other dapp essentially. And all that is here. All that functionality is here. And then we have our images, etc., to kind of make it a little bit more dynamic. But regardless, you will hopefully, if I can make sure that I test it tonight and get it all working, we'll hopefully be able to use and connect 3 to 4 different wallet connection services. So like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, etc. So yeah, just some little things that I'm trying to make sure that we have done. Roadmap also, just so it's a little bit more clear, because right now when you go onto the landing page, it's just the landing page. It doesn't really tell you much about the project. It does redirect you to different avenues to learn more, and that was kind of intentional just because to pack in all that information on one page right off the bat was going to be a lot, considering that I've been coding 3 actually decently kind of complex smart contracts, websites, etc. And this is one of them, not even including the dividend dashboard, which I will be, after the pre-sale, part of the pre-sale proceeds are going to have someone else join this development team alongside of me, because our team is only 2 people, like 2 people who are dedicating almost all of their time to this, myself and one of my friends, who is not a developer. So making sure that stuff like this and our dividend dashboard gets put out timely. Then after that, we will be initializing the asset auction. And if you're not familiar with the asset auction, the spark notes of it is these hedge holdings has companies, and those companies are brick and mortar. So they're real world assets. They include like real estate, cars, actual businesses, and stock and ETF, holdings. But for certain things like fleet vehicles, right, like we're working on luxury rental, short-term rental fleets, those cars retire after a certain amount of years because of depreciation. So the asset auction is a way for people to use Hedge or Boxwood or the Northern Privet Fund tokens to then buy those assets as they're retiring, and then we will take a vote through the DAO to get new ones. So that takes a lot of development and to do it all by yourself is a lot. So this has been part of it. So I just wanted to go through and kind of explain that this is what's in the works right now. Should be in the next 24 to 48 hours, depending on what my tests look like and how functional it is. And then I can break down what we have going for the dividend dashboard. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.